Yeah, g'day, Craig here. I'm usually a very easygoing bloke, but I actually hate the connector pens. They make us all very busy here at the warehouse at Faber-Castell. We never stop receiving orders and I have to ship them all over Australia. Every day, even on weekends. It's actually a bloody nightmare. Box after box, truck after truck, it just doesn't stop. Connector pens, who would have thought?
Sometimes I had to bring my daughter to work with me when she was younger, and she'd sit happily with her connector pens and a sketchbook on the floor for hours. My colleagues thought I was such a fabulous mother because my daughter was so beautifully behaved, but the reality is it was all about the connector pens. Without them, it would have been a complete disaster.